In South Australia, October is a great time to be out in the garden. Spring is in full swing and there are plenty of things to do. So here are some ideas to get you started. This month in South Australia, it's all about palms. Choose a sheltered position away from hot and cold winds and water deeply and regularly when it's warm and dry. Plant them around the pool. They make a bold statement, look very tropical and don't make a mess. There are palms that grow well in pots too, such as the rhapis or lady palm. Well, my favourite is the Kentia palm. It's very adaptable to indoor low light conditions and it's long-lived. It's also a great time to get some shrubs established before it gets really hot and the soil is still moist. Well, rosemary is a great plant. It can be used as a hedge. It can be used as a prostrate variety going along the ground as a ground cover. The flower come in white, blue and pink, and of course the fragrant leaves can be used in a lot of variety of cooking. Other good hedging shrubs are Murraya paniculata with its beautiful fragrant white flowers and the hardy South Australian favourite Viburnum tinus laurestinus. If you're looking for striking foliage, then Nandina moonbay is a good option. Its fine leaves look beautiful in a garden and they also give you good colour. If you don't know what plant to get, then come in and see one of our garden experts in store and we'll be sure to point you in the right direction. And don't neglect your food forest. It's a great time to be getting some veggies in your garden. Plant lettuces in succession to harvest for plenty of summer salads. There's still time to sow tomato seeds into punnets for a good crop as the weather continues to warm. Plant basil as a great companion for your tomatoes. Sweet corn is another favourite, but remember to keep the water up to it. There's always a lot to harvest in October. All your winter vegetables should be ripening right now. Be sure to pick your Asian greens and your broccoli before they go to seed. And be sure to pick your carrots at any time. They can be young or this size and they're still sweet. Strawberries are great too. You must pick them when they're ripe before the birds get to them. There's plenty of garden maintenance to do in your garden in October. Things like tidying up your liriopes, removing any dead leaves, any messy bits, and removing spent flowers from all your shrubs. Don't skimp on the fertilising this month. Regular doses of seaweed solution is a great tonic. It helps strengthen the cell walls of plants and also boosts root growth. Now's a great time to spread the mulch around all garden beds. Pea straw or lucerne are a great option. These mulches also nourish the soil as they break down. There you go. Make the most of our beautiful spring weather in South Australia and get out into the garden. And of course, come into Bunnings and see one of our expert team members and see all the plants that we have available for your garden. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.